Ever feel like tech talk is a whole new language? Stick around and we'll crack the code together.
Phrasal verbs in tech unlocked.
Welcome back to Tech English Pro. My name is Nara and I'm your English bestie. With over 7 years experience of teaching business English, certifications both in TEFL and TOEFL, I've helped hundreds of students master their business English. If you're a tech professional looking to sharpen your language skills, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Section 1. What are phrasal verbs? First, let's quickly explain what phrasal verbs are. A phrasal verb is a combination of a verb and a particle, like login or shut down. Together they create a meaning that is different from the individual words. In tech, phrasal verbs are everywhere. They're simple and action-focused. But don't worry, they're easy to learn when you know how to break them down.
Section 2. Phrasal verbs.
Segment 1. Hookup. In tech, to hook up means to connect devices. So next time you need to set up equipment, you can say, I'll hook up the microphone for the presentation. Segment 2. Boot up or fire up. Ever heard someone say, let me boot up my computer? It means to start. Similarly, fire up is a more informal way of saying the same thing. Segment 3. Run into. If you run into an issue, you've encountered a problem unexpectedly. You might say, I ran into an error while installing the software. Segment 4. Backup. Always remember to back up your data. This means making a copy of your files in case something goes wrong. Segment 6. Scroll down and scroll up. When browsing a website, you scroll down to see more content or scroll up to go back. Segment 7. Plug in and unplug. To plug in is to connect a device to electricity or another device. Unplug means to disconnect. Segment 8. Turn on and turn off. Simple yet essential. Turn on to start a device and turn off is to shut it down. Segment 9. Set up. To set up means to install or prepare something for use. For example, I need to set up my new smartphone. Segment 10. Pull out. In tech, pull out often means to extract or retrieve something, like data. For example, we need to pull out the analytics for the last quarter. Section 3. Practice makes perfect. Now let's practice. I'll give you a sentence with a blank space, and you fill in the correct phrasal verb. Ready? Number 1. Before you start working, you need to your computer. Number 2. Don't forget your files before upgrading the new system. Number 3. Can you the report from last week's database? How did you do? Let me know your score in the comments. Section 4. Tips to remember phrasal verbs. Here's a tip. Think of phrasal verbs as actions in specific contexts. For example, login happens when you access a system, and backup is for protecting your data. Associating them with these actions makes them easier to remember.
Section 5. Wrapping up.
Now you've got the tools to decode tech conversation. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Tech English Pro and hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.